guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Ailey. In today's video we're going to talk about the Maybelline Tattoo Brow. This totally intrigued me. I seen something similar on Facebook a few months ago, except the one on there was like a ridiculous amount of money, so I was like, yeah, I'm not really going to try that. So when I seen this, I actually think I seen it advertised on the TV first. So then I ordered it online and I actually got it with another product that I'll be testing in my next video, so don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on that. But it's basically an eyebrow product, which, if you haven't guessed already, because obviously I look like a bit of a mutant with no eyebrows on just now, so I'm not going to ramble on about it too much. I guess we'll just get to the nitty gritty of it, see what it's like, what the colour's like, what the pricing's like, all that good stuff. So yeah, let's just try this thing out. I'm kind of waving it around here for no reason. Yeah, let's just get on. Okay, so this is the little bad boy here that we're talking about. Like I said, it's the Maybelline Tattoo Brow, and you're probably thinking, well, it looks like a brow pencil, why is it any different? If you haven't seen it already, I have mine in the shade deep brown, and it is actually a felt tip liner. You're not going to be able to see that. This little felt tip has like a little hand on top of it, and basically what it does is, instead of drawing one line, it actually draws multiple little lines. So basically when I seen it on the TV, they were talking about it giving like the effect of microblading, but in something that is obviously semi-permanent. It is super long wearing because I actually have it still the tiniest, you won't be able to see it, but right next to it here. I swatched this yesterday and I mean I've washed my hands several times and it's still sort of really faintly there, so I think that the wear in it might be really good, but I suppose we'll find out. That's pretty much it. I think I got it and another mystery product that will be in my next video for £12, so I'm pretty sure it's like $9.99, but I'll put it on the screen or I'll put it in the description box below. All the details, where I got it, where you can get yours, what the colour is and all that, I'll put in the description box for you. But yeah, I guess we should just sort of test this thing out and see how good it is, because the one thing that I always find, especially with my brows, because they are a total nightmare, one of them sits lower than the other, we'll not talk about that. The thing that I always notice is the brush strokes. You know how everybody always says use hair-like strokes and everybody else's looks like hair-like strokes? Well, mine just all blend into one another and it just ends up being a blocky mess. Sometimes I can get them looking nice, but you know what I mean, you can never get that really defined sort of hair stroke because I need so much of mine filled in, so I have high hopes for this little guy. So yeah, I hope you can see what I'm doing. I'm just gonna sort of try and make some form of a brow with this. But it's kind of weird. I can't really explain it. I suppose once you get used to it, it would be easy enough to use, but one thing I am noticing, because it's a felt tip, the tip sort of dries out quite frequently and you've got to sort of stamp it on your hand to get stuff coming back out of it again. This is the thing that I find with liners as well. The shade is really nice, it's just really difficult to work with. I mean, it's all over the back of my hand, but it's really difficult to kind of keep the product coming out. You know, you're trying to be sort of gentle with it. Oh. Okay. I tried. I mean, I really am trying. I really wanted to like this because, I mean, on the back of my hand, it looks so cool. But as soon as you take the sort of pressure off, it doesn't do anything. You've really got to, you know, work that product to get it, my hand's covered, to get it out, you know, to actually do anything. And as soon as you put this upwards, you know, so that it's lying flat rather than pointing downwards, it just stops working, and it's infuriating. And then by the time you've sort of figured it out, gone back in, everything's just sort of meshed into one again anyway. No, right, okay, I think I've seen enough. You can be the judge by what you saw anyway. I mean, this video is now going to be so short that I should be able to like leave in and not do that fast speed or anything, but I mean, it just, as you can see, if I try and come in a little bit closer, if I do it kind of in the front of this brow here, you can maybe see there's just nothing happening. And I mean, this is brand new. This hasn't been used before today. So the fact that you can't even be really gentle with it, you've got to sort of like rub it on your brow quite harshly to get any colour to come out. You know, it just defeats the purpose of the little finger things. So I suppose with a better delivery system, the idea, the concept might be good, but just the way it is just now is pants. It really, that's not good. I don't see myself reaching for that. Lesson learned, you know what I mean? Like, I mean, I've wasted loads of product there trying to get these crappy brows. So yeah, do I recommend it? Definitely not. I don't think that they've not really nailed the whole, the idea is there, the concept is cool, but I really just don't think it's worth the money. It's, I mean, like I said, it was like £9, but £9 when you can't barely even use it. I mean, my eyebrows are never great, but they're not usually this bad. The colour of it's fantastic. You're apparently getting 1.1 mil of product if you can get it out of the damn thing. I don't think there's really much else to say, to be honest. I will have another go at it, and I'll maybe leave my experience in the comment section below. Like I said, it was really long wearing, but if they look like shit, then do you really want them to be on your face for a really long time? I don't know. So unfortunately, I can't recommend this. I just think it's, yeah, I'm not going to say it again. If you were thinking about it and you've got the cash to burn, I would say go for it, but if not, I would avoid it because, yeah, pants. So that is pretty much it. I'm going to leave you with my funny looking eyebrows, and I'm going to go on and film the other product that I'm testing out today. So if you want to see that, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel and check that little bell so you're notified when I upload it. And I think that's pretty much it. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I will see you either Monday, Wednesday or Friday. Bye.